Can you record your screen in CapCut PC? So you'll probably have searched this on YouTube and you want to find the answer on the record button, but I'm here to tell you that you can't currently record your screen in CapCut PC, but you already have a video recording software on your computer if you're using Windows that you can record with right now. So I'll show you how to find that, and then I'll show you how you can import that video into CapCut PC. So you need to go ahead and open up the search bar on your Windows computer and just type in here snipping tool. So just start typing, you should then see it will be the snipping tool. Now by default, this is going to snip images and still screenshots, but if you change it to the video section, you can then hold Windows, Shift and R, and you can essentially start recording. So what we'll do is we'll go first new, and you can then drag the section you want to record. So in my case, it's going to be the whole screen. And then all you need to do is click Windows, Shift and R, or just click start recording here. Now make sure that your microphone settings are all set up. For me, I'm just going to keep it on mute because we're already recording my audio through Audacity, but you can then click start recording. And as you can see now, we're counting down and we are now recording the screen. We can minimize this and we can obviously make any recordings that we need. Once we've done that, we'll then click stop recording, and that's going to open up this new video where we can then go ahead and click save in the top right hand corner. Then choose where you want to save it to. I'll just save it here to my videos and I'll just call this tutorial. We'll click save, and now we'll go and find it and import it to CapCut. Now doing it this way is going to be easy and it is free and you've already got the software. So then in CapCut, click import, find your videos wherever you've saved it, then scroll down, click on the video file. Here we can see tutorial, then click open, and there you go. You can drag this on the timeline and here is your video recording, and that is as simple as it is, and I hope that helped.